Okay, let's unpack this. 2024 was just a landmark year for artificial intelligence, especially when you look at the money pouring into startups.
Absolutely. It was huge. We saw, what was it, 49 companies pulling in $100 million plus rounds.
And some even hit those billion-dollar mega rounds. It really felt like, AI had arrived in a big
It
way.
really did. And that wasn't just hype, right? It showed a real push towards scaling up, getting AI into the real world across industries.
Yeah, moving beyond just ideas, companies actually building things, solutions.
Exactly. Building the infrastructure, bringing products to market.
Which, okay, brings us to now. We're partway through 2025, and the big question is that momentum holding up?
Well, the data seems pretty clear on that.
Yeah, it looks like a resounding yes. I mean, just looking at Q1 2025 in the US, we've already seen more $100 million plus AI rounds than in Q1 of 2024.
Which is quite something. It suggests things aren't just holding, maybe even accelerating slightly.
Could be. Seems like the initial buzz has turned into more strategic, sustained investment.
Yeah, you see that. It's not just brand new players, but also big follow-on rounds for companies already showing promise.
So that's what we want to dig into today. We're focusing on the 19 US AI startups that have already banked $100 million or more in 2025, just up to April 23rd.
Right, 19 already.
And the goal isn't just to read a list, obviously. We want to understand, who are they? What are they actually doing? And who's writing these massive checks?
Kind of trying to decode the signals, yeah. What do these investments tell us about where AI is heading right now?
Exactly. What are the priorities? What's the future looking like based on where the money's flowing?
It's a good way to get a snapshot. See the key trends, the hot areas, the big VCs making moves.
Okay, let's kick things off with January. First big one was 11 Labs.
Ah, yes, the synthetic voice company.
They landed $180 million Series C, put their valuation over $3 billion.
And look at the investors, Iconic Hugh Growth, Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia, NEA, Salesforce Ventures. Pretty much a who's who.
It really shows that realistic AI voices are still a major focus, a big area of interest.
Well, it's fascinating how AI is getting so sophisticated in these like creative spaces. Lifelike voices have huge potential, right? Entertainment, accessibility.
Content creation, business comms, maybe.
For sure. The investor mix suggests they see it going broad long term.
Then, still in January, Hippocratic AI.
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.